Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you are new to my channel, the subscribe button is always below, and sure, if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video is going to be like, I'm back to school, so I'm back to creating content around university and tertiary institution and college life, and you know the drill. So they're doing construction work beside my window, so if you hear any funny sounds, it's them. So today's video is going to be me telling you guys or giving you guys tips on how to always be put together and arranged in university. I am not the most put together person. Yeah, I've had my scruffy day scruffy days, my days of wearing Crocs and big jeans and big shirts and scattered ass hair. But praise be to the Lord, your girl is changed for good. I know semester is just started and everyone always starts on a high note, but hopefully I can keep up with this Kardashian. So let's just get right, before further ado, you know what we do. Let us get right into the video. So I've broken my video down into 4 talking points. The first 3 are like major points, and the last talking point is like my extra tips just for because I'm extra. So my first point is like plan every damn thing. Like, plan your time. It is your time. If you think you don't want to go for that meeting because it's going to make you feel somehow after the meeting, it's going to waste your time, my dear, don't go. I'm not joking. Don't go. Have a to-do list, what you want to do in the week, what you want to achieve in that week, what you want to achieve in that month. Just plan everything. Write things down. Always plan your time, because it is your time. I won't plan your time for you. You will plan. It's called your time, not Ukachi's time. Okay. And also, when it comes to planning meal prep, especially you have a fridge in your hostel or a freezer. I am saying this because I'm giving you guys content from like Nigerian hostel perspective, because every time I see content based on like university kind of stuff, it's usually from content creators in the diaspora, aka in the abroad, aka in the overseas, aka not in the Nigerian area, or in Nigeria but not in like federal government universities or tertiary institutions. So meal prep, if you know you're going to be really busy with school throughout the week, you can buy a loaf of bread. Rather than buying these small chunks of 100 naira bread, 100 naira bread, why don't you just buy like one really mega 300 naira mega family loaf bread, so that you don't have to always go out to go and get bread. So that when you know that you're going to, like, you have a fridge in your hostel, like I have a fridge in my hostel, so not everyone has a freezer or a fridge in their hostel. So what I do is I meal prep. I can cook like yam, rice, beans, stew, jollof rice, chicken, meat, all in one day. Spend the whole like 7 hours cooking. So then that throughout the week I am free. I'm not going to be spending like all the extra 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours cooking anything. So meal prep, that also helps you to always be put together in university. Another thing is you have to journal, so that I can get your, I don't want to say this, but get your shit together. Journaling has really helped me to like calm down and become like a more arranged or more put together person. I Bible journal and I regular journal, thanks to YouTube. I started journaling like over a year ago. I have like a lot of journals because I can't keep up with the Kardashians. I can't keep up with just using one book. Once I see another colorful book, I pick it up and start journaling again. So try to journal, write things down, take notes, have like a commonplace book. A commonplace book is a book that writes important quotes or quotes like here that can just kind of like, wow, I need to write that down. So I don't have a commonplace book at the moment, but I journal. So you can get the commonplace book if you don't want to journal. Just so that when you are like in your down times or you're just feeling uninspired, you can just go through your inspirational quotes or motivational quotes. That's what I would say is declutter your space. If you are schooling in a federal university in Nigeria, I am 99% sure that your hostel, okay, I'm like 90%, let me do 10% for the bougie ass people. I am 90% sure that your hostel would never in its life look like this or this or this. So don't be expecting, no, I can't do this, because if you are given a cubicle, work with your cubicle. Declutter your own space. Make your space your safe haven, that once you come back from class, you can say, today we have come back. Make sure that your space is like just always arranged or always just put together. I'm not the most arranged person. Once exams come, your girl is scattered as shit. I didn't even sleep in my room again, because that's another story for another day. But what I try to do is that, like, once exams are over, I try to like declutter all the old books I'm no longer writing. I try to give them out to like my juniors or junior colleagues coming up to my new year. and I just work with the space. Like now my space is kind of arranged because the beginning of the semester I always start off arranged, okay? So declutter your own space so that your space can be your safe haven. So now we're down to self-care. This point is valid for the boys because boys don't believe in self-care. They believe that they can take their bath with morning fresh and oil their skin with engine oil and they are good to go. No, you are not. Have a self-care weekend or a self-care day, like one day, even if it's 1 hour. That day, you go to the bathroom, you scrub the shit out of your skin. You're going to do body scrub. You cannot afford a body scrub. Use your normal premium soap or your normal Osun soap with that sponge and scrub it. Scrub your skin. Do skincare. Wash your face well. Wash it well. Use a face mask. If you're not use face mask, buy honey. Put honey on your face and let the shower sit. Do something. Have a my self-care is just me staying back in my hostel for like 1 or 2 hours. I'll do my body scrub using my fresh factor herbal soap and salt scrub. Then I'll do like my skincare using my Beauty Formulas products. My skin has come a long way. I still have acne. Yes, really bad acne. Not like really bad, but like better than before acne. But I still have acne. But I'm like, self-care is really helping me to like get my shit together. Another thing is be healthy. Eat healthy. That one was every day because I didn't even eat that healthy in school. But what I do is I try to meal prep. I said before, I think I meal prep, and then I started working out like once a week. I'll take a walk. I'll walk like 7,000 steps from my hostel to campus and back to my hostel because I can't really join a gym. I can't keep up with the Kardashians. So I'll just do the little I can do. I try to walk out, not work out. I don't work out. I walk out. I just trek everything. Thank you, Sonwolu, by the way. And for eating healthy, try to drink black tea and green tea. Drinking tea, apparently, they say it helps. I love drinking black tea. I love drinking my Lipton. I use Lipton in my hair. I drink Lipton. Get the gist. And try to take probiotics and like supplements. Because once you're in school, eating healthy is on your quality of your food is going to be like cut short. Just what it is. So what I do is I'll eat the one I can eat. And when I cannot eat, I'll take my when I'm done eating, I always take like supplements. I take like two different supplements. I take one for like body, hair, skin, and nails. You can see my nails are now getting their shit. Get that? Body, hair, skin, and nails. I take one for like, and the one for body, hair, skin, and nails has a lot of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin da. And I take another one, longevity. I think it also helps with stress. So yeah. And now my tips is take yourself out once a month. I do this. I used to do this once till I started getting broke. I did not used to do once a month. I used to do once every week. Take yourself out. Like in my school, there are different restaurants. You can go to Country Kitchen. You can go and see a movie with Imagine Cinemas. Movies are like 500 naira. Take yourself out once a month. Go and watch one new film. I don't know when you're arguing about film, you can put mouth. Take yourself out once a month. Go and get that food. If you cannot take it, go somewhere, sit down there, buy gala and cook and drink and just chill. Just chill and get yourself out from the stress. Another thing I'll say is perform or like take part in a hobby that you really like to do. Like me now, I like doing makeup. So what I do is anytime I'm free, oh boy, I just plaster my face back with makeup. Like anytime I'm free, like I think today my brushes are looking clean. Back makeup all done, skin slayed, this slayed. That's just how I am. So if you like to read, get a book and read. Even if it's 1 chapter per week, read. If you like to sew. If you like to sleep, because sleeping is actually a hobby. Sleep. If you like to cook. If you like to go out. If you like to travel, take that trip to like, I don't know, Ibadan, that is near your school, because my school is just near Ibadan. And yeah, my third tip is on looks. This was actually for me too, because I've had my scruffy day. How can I always put together on social media? I always have scruffy. I have a uniform. I have my black Crocs with my blue faded jeans, with my red tank top and my grey cardigan, with my hair in chunky ass twists. But all things are passed away. I say after me, all things still low. I'm back and better. So can you be? Is that even correct? So my first tip on these looks is iron your clothes. Being a lazy person, not like I'm lazy, but like I don't like ironing clothes because why should I iron clothes? Even if you cannot iron clothes, buy clothes you don't need to iron. Like I know that this thing I'm wearing, no matter how rumpled it is, I will never iron it because I'm lazy. So I usually look up for materials I know that I don't have to iron as much, or I have a lot of patterns, so that when it's not ironed, you know that it's not ironed. You get the drift. So iron your clothes, style your hair. This one is for me. I always have the same chunky twist. This side style has ruined my life. And I've also saved my life. So I always have chunky teeth. So style your hair, do like this. Like now, you can see now your girl came. Your girl came prepared for the semester. I'm going to have this thing for like 3 weeks, and I'm going to change my style again because why not? Dress for the occasion. If you're in university, especially in Nigerian university, nobody really wears 6 inches heels to school. And it's not my department. It can be your school or your department too. Congratulobia. But in my department, nobody, even the female lecturers don't even wear 6 inches heels. So imagine me now walking into class. I'm coming like 5 minutes late. So I can tell this class and I'm wearing 6 inches. Guess the academic reaction. Ukachi, where are you going? Ukachi, where are you going to? And I'm like, I can't even imagine what will happen in the class. It'll be too mad and too funny. Like everyone will be like, Kachi, what happened to you? And I'm really told. So even if I'm wearing 6 inches, I'll now be like 6 feet 1 or 2 inches. Mad though. I can't even imagine. And that tip I would say is, yeah, to dress for the occasion. If you're going to be going to the lab, wear clothes for the lab. If you're going to be going for classes, nobody I know, probably in your school, but my school, nobody I know in my department comes to school with a full face beat of makeup, highlights, contour, glitter, eyeshadows, red lips. No, nobody really does that. So imagine me doing that every day. And it's not my bed. It's my bed is if I would try to do makeup, but like I never really keep up. But I don't really think that's right. It's just like extra, but it can be extra. No judgments for you, be extra. Now I'll say is keep your jewelry light. If you're going to wear like a chain, don't come and wear like 2 chains and it's dropping down and no. Keep your earrings cute. If you're going to do small, do small. If you're going to do big, make the big cute. Okay? Big earrings can also be cute. Keep this light, cause just keep it light. And also keep your makeup light. If you're going to wear red lips, you can never go wrong with red lips, especially if you're dark skinned. Red lips are like a killer. So keep your makeup light. Don't overdo the makeup to school. Guys, just school now. Take it easy. The next thing is have a signature scent. Like, perfumes are quite expensive, yeah. And this one I'm actually trying to like work on. I'm trying to save and see if I can get like a bougie ass perfume. But I work with little Victoria's Secret spray here. Like I use Victoria's Secret spray now. I use something from Smart Collection. I don't know the number because Smart Collections are like dupes of like expensive perfumes. So work with what you have and try to like make it your signature. Make sure that you always wear perfume so you can always smell cute. And now for my extra tips. This is like the most important one. Just be present. Like enjoy the moment. It's university. It only happens, okay, it can happen as many times as you want it to happen in your life, but for me it only happens once in a lifetime. No, I'll do masters and PhD. So it happens like 3 times in a lifetime. But BSc only happens once in a lifetime for me. So ensure you're present in the moment. Enjoy the moment. Take walks. Not trek. Take walks. And practice gratitude. Be appreciative for everything, all the opportunities you have to be in university. Many people are dying to get into university and you're in university, so enjoy the moment, boo. Enjoy everything, and you'll be put together if you can just show gratitude. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I know you did, because why won't you? Subscribe to my channel. Share this content with your friends. And your friends are about to get into your friends out of uni too. Let them see what they missed out on. Maybe they can go back. No. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Kachi. And I'll see you guys in my next video.